I just recovered about $2,500 for a subscriber today. Now, let me tell you how the subscriber lost a token and how I was able to recover it. Now, here's what happened. The subscriber sent the token from Coinbase, sent some XRP from Coinbase to the ledger, and it was the XRP was sent in the fake version of the XRP, and then it was existing as CBXRP, which was on Base network, and the token never reflected on their ledger. And after everything, it took the subscriber 2 days to reach out to me. Then when he reached out to me, we walked through it together, and then he was able to get his XRP out. So now you know that I've consistently been making videos on things like these, crypto recoveries, calling out Binance, calling out Coinbase, calling all the different exchanges out, trying to let you guys know that any crypto that is lost on your address has a recovery possibility, because the crypto still exists. It's not lost. It's not entirely deleted, except you sent it to an unknown address, or you sent it to, let's say, a born address. Those are the kind of cryptos that are lost. So now, if you have any recovery case that you are yet to figure out, DM me. I have recovered over $300,000 for different persons, different subscribers on here, based on my videos and through guiding you guys. So feel free to message me. I am the only one you can trust on this internet to do this job correctly, smoothly for you. So thank you for always trusting me with your work. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then share to someone who may need it.